Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money on Gumroad. First, let's talk about finding your niche. It's crucial to identify a specific audience and understand their needs. Think about problems you can solve or skills you can share. For example, if you're great at graphic design, you could create a template pack. A focused niche helps you stand out and attract the right customers, making your marketing efforts much more effective from the start. Once your niche is clear, it's time to create your product. This could be anything from an ebook on productivity to a set of custom brushes for artists. Ensure it offers real value and is well-produced. Next, determine your pricing. A good starting point might be between $5 and $50, depending on the product's complexity and perceived value. Remember, you can always adjust it later based on sales performance and customer feedback. Now that your product is ready, effective marketing is key. Share it across your social media channels like Instagram, X, or LinkedIn, highlighting its benefits. Consider building an email list to directly communicate with interested buyers and offer exclusive discounts. Collaborating with other creators in your niche can also expand your reach significantly. Think about guest posts or joint webinars to tap into new audiences and drive traffic to your Gumroad store. Finally, let's talk about scaling and optimizing your sales. Regularly review your Gumroad analytics to see what's working and what isn't. Pay attention to customer feedback and use it to refine your product or create new versions. Consider offering bundles or upsells to increase average order value. Developing a portfolio of related products can also provide multiple income streams and establish you as an expert in your chosen field, leading to sustained growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.